What's up, Sushi Lovers family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you inside out orange maki sushi roll, which is very easy and so delicious also. I'm gonna teach you very step by step, so let's go. I'm going to give the name orange maki. That means I'm going to use the orange, okay? Let's see. Yes, I have here the bamboo mat, sushi mat. So it always have the rough side and shiny side. That is the rough side and that is the shiny side. Always we will place the sushi rice on the rough side. I will use little bit mayonnaise with my gloves so rice cannot be sticky. I'm going to make orange maki California sushi roll. So rice will be outside and the ingredients will be inside. So I'll use almost 110 gram. Rice is good. Put in the middle as always. Separate very gently. Then push upside with help of this thumb finger. And push downside with this point finger, or you can put like this. Now I'm gonna flip it. I'm putting a little bit more rice on downside, so this more rice will be go upside. Yes, you can see here. Now I'm going to use, that's the Philadelphia. I'm going to use the salmons. Yes. Now I'm going to use the pickled radish also. I'm gonna use the cucumber, and as you know, I'm the avocado lover. Take the skins and cut it very softly. That side I'm feeling a little bit less avocado, so I'm going to put here. And I think I can close it. So I'm gonna put all the avocado here and just a little bit here. Time to close it, time to roll it. Some people call it sushi rolling techniques. For the sushi rolling techniques, that means we will start to roll it. Always leave one finger here, and I suggest to all of my sushi lovers family to put a little bit more rice on the top, so the rice will catch this rice, so it will be closed properly. And let's take out the bamboo mat, and the thumb finger will gonna be a downside of the bamboo mat, and secure the ingredients with rest of 3 fingers like this, and the bamboo tip will go to toss here. Nice. I'm gonna show you again, okay? Yes, you can see here a little bit ingredients. You can push inside and roll it softly. Yes. Give the little bit press here, so the our sushi roll will be in the perfect shape. Yes, if you are using the gloves, no need to be worried, because rice is not going to stick in your hand, so it will be really good. But normally, do you know, the Japanese people don't like to use the gloves, because we are tossing here, we are not washing our hands, so it can be lots of bacteria in the gloves. But today I'm curing with my gloves, okay, don't worry. Our sushi roll is ready. Now I'm gonna prepare my orange to make the orange maki. I'm gonna cut here, and I'm going to fill it. Now I'm gonna cut downside as well. Now I'm going to slice it, okay? Now I'm going to put the orange on the top of the sushi roll. Yes. Give the squeeze here. Yes. Now the important things, how to cut it, okay? You can cut directly, or the easy way, I have to suggest good things to all of my sushi lovers family. Yes, we can put the thin plastic. In our language we call the pellicula. Then give the press with bamboo mat without plastic, okay? Nice. Then let's cut it. When you are cutting, you have to clean your knife properly and use the water. I'm using your tezu. Now start to cut it. Nice. Now once more again, give the press to make the good shape. I'm gonna put mayonnaise here, just a little bit, and give the sear. Nice. Wow, it's good. You can see here salmon, cucumber, avocado, and the pickled radish. Now I'm going to use caviar. Yes, this is how we can make orange maki sushi rolls. It's very simple, very delicious, and so easy, and I hope you're gonna try at your home. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and if you really like this video, please do share with your sushi lovers, family and friends. Thank you. Have a good day.